My video will provide you with help to remove the unwanted browser extension called AISEARCHS. AISEARCHS is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension actually may operate and will operate as a browser hijacker. If it gets installed, it will change your default search engine settings without your permission or approval. Therefore, if it was somehow found on your computer, you need to definitely undertake the measures and get rid of this extension called AISearchs. So access the menu Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then when you find this extension, simply remove it from the list. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching the computer with its help to detect and eliminate other threats. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.